Looking to elevate your space with a touch of style and comfort? These luxury furniture picks and clever interior design ideas will help you transform any room into something stunning without overthinking it. From bold statement pieces to simple upgrades that make a big difference, there's inspiration here for every corner of your home. All links are in the description. Short on space, but still need a stylish workspace? This bamboo folding desk folds flat when not in use, freeing up your room instantly. Unfold it, and you get a roomy surface, perfect for a laptop, writing, or even a vanity. Shelves keep your books and essentials organized, so clutter stays at bay. Made from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, it's strong and long-lasting. Modern, versatile, and compact, ideal for bedrooms, offices, or cozy living spaces. Ever dream of escaping into your own gaming haven? This pod chair cocoons you in comfort while surrounding you with built-in speakers for an immersive, full-body sound experience. Relax, recline, and game with a monitor positioned exactly where you need it. Its ergonomic curves keep you supported, so you can play for hours without feeling cramped. It's your personal command center for ultimate relaxation. Need a stylish way to organize your books and treasures? This tall S-shaped bookcase gives you 4 spacious tiers to display everything from books to plants to collectibles. Its freestanding design saves floor space while adding a modern, two-tone black and brown touch to any room. Made from sturdy MDF with a waterproof and scratch-resistant finish, it's built to last. Anti-tip features and non-slip pads keep it safe and stable. Looking for a table that does it all? This multifunctional rockboard dining table switches from a full dining surface to a coffee table in seconds. The high-temperature, food-grade tabletop resists scratches, heat, and even heavy impact, keeping it looking flawless. Its carbon steel frame is rock solid, supporting plenty of weight without bending. Rounded edges make it safe for kids and adults alike. Stylish, durable, and versatile, perfect for any modern living space. Ever seen a chair that folds like magic? This paper stool is not just lightweight, it's surprisingly strong, holding up to 300 kilograms without breaking a sweat. The craft paper design is waterproof, so spills wipe right off. It folds flat in seconds, making it easy to carry or tuck away when you need space. Stylish and modern, it works anywhere, from your kitchen to your living room. Take it to events, use it as a footrest, or add a chic touch to your home. Here's a game changer if you love working, eating, or relaxing right from your bed. This extra-wide rolling table slides smoothly over your mattress, giving you a full workspace without taking up room. You can plug in your phone, laptop, or tablet using the built-in outlets and USB ports, so everything stays powered within reach. Guardrails keep items from slipping, and the sturdy frame stays steady as you move it. Easy to assemble and easy to roll, your bed instantly becomes the most comfortable desk in the house. Here's a fun twist on ordinary shoe storage, literally. This rotating tower spins a full 360 degrees, letting you see every pair at once and grab what you need without digging around. 5 sturdy tiers give you plenty of room for sneakers, heels, or everyday shoes, all while freeing up floor space. It's built from strong wood with smooth ball bearings that keep the rotation easy. Place it in your entryway or closet for a clean, modern way to organize your collection. Here's a lamp that feels more like a tiny piece of art. This little thinker statue holds a soft LED light that you can control with a simple touch. You get 3 brightness levels, so you can use it for reading, relaxing, or as a gentle nightlight. It's rechargeable, making it easy to move around your home without dealing with cords. Stylish, compact, and warm, it adds personality to any room you place it in. Here's a clever way to use space you didn't even know you had. This tall corner shelf hugs the wall and turns an empty corner into a useful display. You can stack plants, photos, books, or little decor pieces across 6 sturdy tiers. The smooth rounded edges keep things safe, especially if you have kids running around. With its strong frame and quick assembly, you get extra storage without any hassle. Bring calm and creativity to any space with this automatic Zen Sandscape. The metal ball glides silently across the sand, creating ever-changing patterns that are mesmerizing to watch. You can control it through an app, choosing preset designs or making your own, so every display is unique. LED mood lights set the perfect ambience, enhancing relaxation and focus. Perfect for home or office, it's a stylish way to unwind and enjoy a little mindful art every day. Here's a simple way to make your counter look instantly organized. This metal stand stacks 3 bowls vertically, giving you a clean spot for fruits, snacks, or everyday grab-and-go items. Each tier lifts off, so you can use them separately whenever you need extra serving pieces. It's sturdy, easy to assemble, and helps you save a ton of space. Place it in the kitchen, office, or even at events to add a little shine to your setup. Bring versatile lighting anywhere without touching a wire. These battery-operated wall sconces give you soft, adjustable illumination for any room. You can change colors and brightness with the remote, from cozy warm yellow to crisp white, and even set a gentle flash effect. The rechargeable bulbs last for hours and don't need any hard wiring, so you can place them wherever you want. Stylish and modern, they add charm and flexibility to your space with zero hassle. Sink into elegance with these velvet accent chairs that bring comfort and style together. The soft velvet feels amazing against your skin, while the high-density foam keeps you supported whether you're reading, watching TV, or just relaxing. The barrel-shaped back wraps around you, creating a cozy, inviting feel, and the 3-legged design adds modern flair while staying sturdy. Made with solid wood and non-slip pads, they stay stable and protect your floors. Here's a smart little setup that makes the most of tight spaces. This 3-in-1 corner vanity doubles as a nightstand and a makeup desk, giving you everything you need in one compact spot. Flip up the mirror and you're instantly ready to get ready. The glass top lets you see your essentials at a glance, while hidden compartments and drawers keep the rest neatly stored. The rolling stool glides out smoothly, giving you a comfy place to sit and an easy way to tuck it away when you're done. Here's an easy way to give any room a dramatic glow-up. These 3D wall panels add texture and depth, instantly making your space look more modern and stylish. You just peel, stick, and press. No heavy tools or tricky steps. The PVC material is lightweight, durable, and even waterproof, so you can use it almost anywhere. Paint them, add LED strips, or mix directions to create your own custom look. It's a simple upgrade that feels surprisingly high-end. This 5-in-1 jewelry armoire gives you a full-length mirror, a vanity mirror, roomy storage, and hidden shelves, all packed into one compact design that fits easily in small spaces. You can spin it 360 degrees to check every angle and grab whatever you need. Inside, every earring, ring, necklace, and brush gets its own spot, so you never lose track of anything. Built-in LED lighting makes getting ready feel easier and brighter, and the lock keeps your favorites safe. This one brings instant cozy vibes the moment you see it. Shaped like a soft little pumpkin, this beanbag chair gives you a fun, comfy spot to sink into after a long day. The foam filling molds around you for support, whether you're reading, gaming, or just relaxing. The fabric feels plush but stays durable enough for everyday use. It's lightweight too, so you can move it anywhere you need an extra comfy seat. Imagine a coffee table that feels as intuitive as your smartphone. This concept blends furniture with tech, giving you a glimpse of what future living rooms could look like. Think wireless charging built into the surface, touch controls under your fingertips, and speakers hidden seamlessly inside the frame. The design stays sleek and minimal, turning the table into a centerpiece. It's a vision of decor where style and smart features live together effortlessly. Here's a smart piece of furniture that knows how to multitask. This Rollaway sofa bed switches between a comfy seat and a full sleeping spot in seconds, giving you extra flexibility without taking over your room. You get soft foam padding and breathable linen fabric, so you always feel supported whether you're sitting or lying down. The backrest adjusts to 2 angles, letting you pick what feels right, and the sturdy metal frame keeps everything stable while you relax. Here's a clever little upgrade that earns its place in any room. This folding Ottoman sofa bed shifts shapes in seconds, giving you a seat, a lounger, a table, or even a comfy single bed when someone stays over. You can tuck it away easily when you're not using it, so your space never feels crowded. The simple design blends in anywhere, from bedrooms to dorms, and the sturdy build keeps you supported every time you sit or sleep. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.